What's up, guys? It is Alvarado here, and today I have my man Philipp visiting us from Germany, and he's a digital agency owner doing really well. So I wanted him to share a few tips and tricks that have helped him build an agency, in which most people think that you can't build an agency outside of the United States, but here he is doing his thing. So what's up, man?
Thanks for having me, Luis. Yeah, I'm very thankful to be here to mastermind with you. And my tip for everyone out there is, and I learned it here again at the growth from Grant Cardone, is always, and it's a mindset thing, is to under-promise and over-deliver. What I mean by that is, you set the expectations to your customer, and you always say, for example, I get you 20 leads a week, and then it's the under promise, and then you over deliver, meaning then you get them 30 leads, for example. And this is not just in the lead gen business or in the agency thing. This is just a mindset thing. What I mean by that is you go always with this under promising and over delivering thing, and then the customers love you. They will recommend you to other friends and colleagues from them, and this is actually what brings in my customers and more customers.
Damn, there you have it, guys. Philipp. Thanks, man. Yeah.